The idea of building a smart home began on a quiet weekend morning when I realized how many small tasks I handled manually every day. Turning off lights, adjusting fans, checking doors, and managing appliances all took time and attention. I wondered if there was a way to make my home more efficient, more comfortable, and easier to manage. That thought inspired me to begin my journey into smart home technology. The first device I installed was a smart speaker. It allowed me to play music, check the weather, and set reminders using only my voice. It felt almost magical to say simple commands and watch the speaker respond. It was also the first time I understood the potential of connecting technology with daily life. Next, I explored lighting. I replaced my old bulbs with smart LED lights that could change color, dim gradually, or turn on and off automatically. One evening, I set the lights to a warm golden tone while reading a book. The atmosphere became so peaceful that I immediately saw how small changes could improve comfort. Encouraged by this success, I continued to expand. I installed smart plugs for my fans and air purifier. I connected everything to one app on my phone so that I could control each device even when I was not home. It was exciting to see my home become more organized and more responsive. The real turning point came when I added a smart thermostat. It learned my daily schedule and adjusted the temperature automatically. Instead of coming home to a warm and stuffy house, I arrived to cool and comfortable air. This single improvement convinced me that a smart home was not only about convenience. It was about creating a space that supported my lifestyle. As I expanded my smart home system, I quickly discovered that technology could be both exciting and challenging. Although the devices were helpful, connecting them to my home network required patience. Some devices worked perfectly from the start, while others demanded several attempts before they synced with the app. I learned that building a smart home required not only enthusiasm but also problem-solving skills. There were moments of frustration. Sometimes the lights did not respond immediately. Sometimes the smart plugs disconnected from the Wi-Fi network. On one occasion, the smart thermostat reset itself during a software update, and I had to configure everything again. Still, each difficulty taught me something new about how technology works behind the scenes. One of the biggest surprises was how much energy I saved. With smart automation, appliances operated only when necessary. The lights turned off automatically when I left a room. The thermostat stopped cooling the house when the windows were open. The fans slowed down at night when the temperature dropped. By the end of the first month, I noticed a clear difference in my electricity bill. Another discovery was how much safer my home became. I installed smart cameras at the front door and in the hallway. They allowed me to check my home at any time. I also added smart motion sensors that sent alerts to my phone if unexpected activity was detected. These features gave me peace of mind, especially when traveling. I even connected my door lock to the smart system. Instead of carrying keys, I used a digital code or unlocked the door with my phone. I could also give temporary access codes to friends or family. This level of control made my home feel more secure than ever. After several months of building, experimenting, and adjusting, my home finally felt complete. Every room had smart features that worked in harmony. Waking up in the morning became a gentle experience. The bedroom lights slowly brightened, the curtains opened automatically, and soft music played from the speaker. It felt as if the home itself welcomed me into a new day. Daily routines became smoother. I could start my coffee machine with a voice command before getting out of bed. I could dim the living room lights to create a movie atmosphere. I could warm the bathroom before taking a shower. Simple tasks turned into small moments of comfort. In the evening, automation made life easier. When I arrived home, the lights turned on as soon as the door unlocked. The air conditioner adjusted to a comfortable temperature. The smart speaker greeted me and told me the news of the day. I felt a sense of connection with my home, as if it understood my habits and responded naturally. The most meaningful change was the extra time I gained. Because small tasks were automated, I had more time to relax, read, and focus on meaningful activities. My home no longer demanded constant attention. Instead, it supported my lifestyle quietly and efficiently. Building my smart home taught me valuable lessons. Technology can simplify life, but it also requires understanding and care. Automation can improve comfort, but it should always respect human needs. A smart home is not just a modern trend. It is a thoughtful way of living.